Hey Jaden, I figured I'd just make you a quick video, probably a little bit easier than trying to explain it over email. So what we want to look at is we want to look at what is this shape made out of? So up here in the actual question, I kind of gave you guys a hint. It's part cylinder and it's part sphere, right? So if we're looking at this, we have this middle section right here. I'll outline it in blue. This middle section is a cylinder, right? This part right here. So if I were to pull that out of this drawing, it would look like this guy right here, right? Where we have a height of 13. So it would be a height of 13 feet. And we also have this radius is 9. So 13 feet and 9 feet. From there, what we would have to do is just use our volume of a cylinder formula, right? Volume is equal to pi r squared times h. That's our cylinder formula. So what you would do is you would use that with this piece. But we also have another part of this figure over here, right? We also have the right side, which is half of a sphere, and we also have the left side, which is another half of a sphere. So if we were to take both of those sections out, this part and this part, if we were to pull them out to the side, what we would have is we'd have two halves of a sphere, right? So we would have this half, and then we would also have this half. Sorry, those are terrible pictures. Let's try that one more time. So that half, and then that half. If we were to pull these together, if I were to just push these two in, what we're going to see is that's just going to create a sphere. So if I were to push these two parts together, it's just going to give us a regular sphere. So what we want to think about is, okay, we have a cylinder, full cylinder, and now we also have a entire sphere as well, where the sphere still has this radius of 9 feet. So what we want to do there is we want to use a sphere with a radius of 9 feet. Our volume formula for a sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed. So what we're going to do here is we're going to use this on our sphere, this on our cylinder, take whatever we get for both of them, and we are going to add them together, right? So use this one for your cylinder, find the volume. Use this one for your sphere, find the volume, and then take those two volumes and add them together at the end.